There's a debate that's been sparking in garages for decades: classic cars versus modern cars. It's a rivalry that's as old as the automobile itself, and it's fueled by passion, nostalgia, and innovation. It's not just about speed or looks, it's heart and soul versus brains and technology. Classic cars have a certain charm, a personality that's hard to replicate, while modern cars dazzle with their advanced features and futuristic designs. Some love the smell of old leather and gasoline. Others can't live without heated seats and GPS. For some, it's the tactile feel of a manual shifter. For others, it's the convenience of voice-activated controls and seamless connectivity. I've driven everything from steam-powered antiques to electric hypercars, and both sides have their magic. Each drive is a journey through time, offering a unique perspective on how far we've come. Firing up an old V8 is raw and thrilling, while new cars are smooth, powerful, and packed with comfort. The rumble of a carbureted engine or the silent surge of an electric motor, each has its own appeal. This debate is what makes car culture so exciting. It brings people together, sparking conversations and friendly rivalries at every car meet. It's about the experience, the history, and the engineering. Every car tells a story, whether it's a survivor from the past or a glimpse into the future. Are you drawn to hand-shaped metal and simple mechanics, or cutting-edge tech and safety? Maybe you appreciate the artistry of both worlds. Both tell a story about their era, reflecting the dreams and ambitions of their time. So let's pop the hood and dive into what makes these machines so special. We'll explore the details, the differences, and the passion behind every model. Grab your driving gloves or your key fob, and let's get started on this journey through automotive history and innovation. Classic cars are rolling art, designs shaped by hand, not computers. Every curve, every line was crafted with intention and passion, making each vehicle a unique masterpiece. These cars are more than just transportation. They're expressions of creativity and engineering from a different era. Think of the tail fins on a '59 Cadillac, or the curves and chrome you don't see today. These details are instantly recognizable, symbols of a time when style and flair were just as important as performance. Each classic has a personality, a story from its era. They reflect the culture, dreams, and ambitions of the people who built and drove them. Driving one is an event. You feel every vibration, hear every gear shift, and connect directly with the machine. There's a sense of occasion every time you turn the key and set off. No computers, just you, the engine, and the open road. It's a pure, analog experience that's hard to find in today's world of digital everything. Nostalgia is huge. A '67 Mustang isn't just a car, it's a time machine. It transports you back to a different era, letting you relive memories or imagine what life was like decades ago. These cars carry stories and history, making you a custodian of the past. Every scratch and faded badge tells a tale, connecting generations through shared experiences. Simplicity is part of the charm. You can open the hood, see the engine, and tinker on weekends. There's a satisfaction in understanding how things work and keeping them alive. Fixing a classic is hands-on and rewarding. It's a chance to learn, to solve problems, and to take pride in your work. It's a hobby that connects you to the heart of the automobile. And it brings people together, clubs, shows, and friendships, all built around a shared love. For many, that's the real magic, the joy, the pride, and the sense of belonging that comes with every drive. Classic cars are about passion, legacy, and the joy of the drive. They remind us of where we've been and inspire us to keep moving forward. That's why we love them, and why their legacy will always endure. Modern cars are true technological marvels, powerful, efficient, and safer than ever before. They blend cutting-edge engineering with sleek design, creating vehicles that are as beautiful as they are advanced. Take the Tesla Model S Plaid, for example. 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, all electric and nearly silent. It's a glimpse into the future of performance and sustainability, all wrapped in one. Today's family sedans can outperform yesterday's supercars, offering speed and agility once reserved for the racetrack. Safety is next level. Crumple zones, advanced airbags, and features like automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist work together to protect you and your loved ones every mile of the way. These aren't just fancy gadgets, they're innovations that save lives. Comfort is unmatched. Heated seats, multi-zone climate control, and entertainment at your fingertips, making every trip enjoyable for everyone on board. Long drives are now relaxing, not exhausting thanks to ergonomic seats and noise-canceling cabins. Under the hood, powerful computers constantly optimize everything for peak performance and maximum efficiency. adapting to your driving style. Traction control and engine management systems work seamlessly in the background, keeping you safe on any road, in any weather. You just drive. The car handles the rest, from monitoring blind spots to assisting with parking. Modern cars are all about innovation, convenience, and true peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. They make every journey easier, safer, and more enjoyable, no matter where you're headed. That's the true genius of today's automobiles, innovation that moves us forward. Some cars define their eras. Classics like the Jaguar E-Type, '69 Camaro, and Volkswagen Beetle are legends. Style, power, and accessibility. The Lamborghini Miura set the standard for supercars. Each classic tells a story about its time. Modern icons? The Porsche 911 bridges both worlds. Classic shape, modern tech. The Bugatti Chiron pushes speed and luxury to new heights. Electric heroes like the Tesla Model 3 made EVs mainstream and fun. The Ford F-150 Lightning electrified America's favorite truck. These cars are shaping a new era, becoming tomorrow's legends. Whether classic or modern, each icon leaves a mark on automotive history. That's what makes them unforgettable. We've seen both sides, classics and modern marvels. Classics are about emotion, history, and a pure driving connection. They're rolling sculptures with soul, rewarding those who love to tinker. Modern cars are about progress, safer, faster, and packed with tech. They make life easier and journeys more comfortable. The real difference? It's what you want from a car. Classics are like mechanical watches, craftsmanship and tradition. Moderns are smartwatches, versatile and connected. The best car is the one that puts a smile on your face, whether it's a chrome-laden cruiser or a silent electric rocket. The choice is yours, and there's no wrong answer. Don't forget to like and share this video if you love cars.